Hey guys, again welcome back. So on my viewers request I am making this video on the performance of dashcam. So this is the night footage of the dashcam you are seeing. It has been recording footage in 4K 60 fps. Clarity is quite good, pretty clear. So we have ordered this dashcam from Amazon and model name is Red Tiger F7N and it costs around 13,490. I will provide the link in my description box, you can check it out. So guys, you can see even the night performance of the dashcam is quite good. So now let's talk about the video length of the dashcam. You can change the settings anytime and set the video length to 1 minute, 3 minutes or 5 minutes as per your choice. So now this is the daytime footage of the front camera and the clarity is quite good. One more thing, during daytime you may face issue of overheating of electronic appliances, but this dashcam is capacitor based, so there is no issue of overheating, and firmware updates are there from their official websites which you can download. Now this is the daytime footage of the rear camera. It records in 1080p 60 fps. The video may appear hazy because the rear windshield is not properly cleaned. So we have opted to place the rear dashcam inside our car. You can also attach it outside the car. Screws are provided in the package that will give you much better picture clarity. So guys, this is the night footage of the rear camera. So one of my viewers asked me whether we can use the rear camera for reverse parking. Actually the screen is small, so it might be difficult for you to use it for reverse parking. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any other queries then please comment down. I will definitely answer your queries. Tata, bye bye.